Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how much percentage does Shopify take. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. There are total 3 plans available on Shopify and each plan takes different charges. If you select basic plan for $29 as for transaction fees, Shopify charges a fee of 2.9% plus 0.30 cent per transaction for all online purchases made under this plan. And if you select Shopify plan for $79, this plan requires a fee of 2.5% plus 0.30 cent on every online credit card transaction. And if you select advanced plan for $299, transaction fees on this plan are as low as 2.4% and 0.30 cent for any in-person and debit card transaction, instead of paying a 1% fee when using third-party payment service providers on lower plans. You only get to pay 0.5%. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.